Everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Simran and today in this video I'll discuss with you writing task 1. So without wasting any time, let's start with the question. So the question is, the charts below, two charts below show the living arrangements of two different age groups in a certain country in 2015. So the chart is telling about the living arrangement, means how people preferred living in two different age groups, means youngsters of the age 25 and 34 and above. Then we can see this darker shade represent those who preferred living alone, living with parents, they are residing with their partner or spouse, and this one is living with flatmates. So the yellow one is representing living with flatmates, living with, you can say, partner or spouse, living with parents, and living with living alone. So these are the living arrangements of people aged 25 to 34, and these are the living arrangements of people aged between 35 to 44. So let's see how we'll answer this. The interesting factor is in 2015, of the age group 25 to 34, almost the percentage between the two groups, we can say those who are living alone or living with spouse, the ratio was similar, and for other two, those who are residing with their parents and living with their flatmates, the ratio was similar. And in the age group 35 to 44, what we can see that here also the ratio between living with flatmates and living alone was similar, but overall what we can see is that more than half of the people, means 52%, preferred living with their partners. So let's see how we will write this out. So the rendered pie charts depict the data about the living situations of two different age groups of a specific country in the year 2015. So this is just the rephrasing of the given question. Now overall, the patterns of residing alone and with the partner were identical, and the arrangements of living with parents and housemates were equivalent between the age group of 25 and 34. As we have discussed that the ratio was similar between the flatmates and living with parents and those who are living with partners and living alone. The ratio was similar or equivalent between those who are of the age group 25 and 34, means those who lies between these age groups. And while people between the age of 35 and 44 strongly tended to live with their spouse, so they strongly preferred to live with their spouse. Explicitly, people of the age group 25 to 34 had almost similar living conditions, with 20% preferring to live alone and 20% desired to live with their partner. So as we said, the ratio was identical. Now here we are describing that how much prefer to live with their partners. So 20% prefer to live with their partners and their alone. Likewise, the number of people living with their parents and flatmates were equivalent, accounted to one-third. One-third means accounted to, we can say almost one-third, because it is not one-third. One-third is 33%, so we can say it's almost one-third, 30%. People of the age category 35 to 44 had a different living situation, with almost half choose to live with their, it has to be chosen to live because we are talking of the year 2015. Okay, so with almost half chosen to live with their spouses, and only 8% wanted to reside with their parents. So we can see that those who preferred living with their parents were only 8% in case of this age group. Okay. Finally, 1/5 of the population lived alone and with roommates. So 1/5 is 20% approximately. It's 20%, 1/5. So it is exactly 20%. So we said that finally 1/5 of the population lived alone and with their roommates. So 1/5 lived alone and with their flatmates or roommates, we can say. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.